Okay, we are going to make use of all three laws of logarithm and some special property we have learned so far if we cannot make use of the calculator. Take note, because the power 4 belongs to 3, I can make use of the power law. So after making use of the special property, log 3 to base 3 is equal to 1. So we have an end result. Notice we did not make use of the calculator at all. Okay, definitely the two numbers in part B can be written as base 3. And take note, I can make use of the power law by bringing down the power as a constant in front. So after I bring down the power law as a constant in front, I can multiply the numbers together. Alright? Some of you may be even able to skip from step 1 to step 3. I think that's fine with me. After that, you can make use of the special property. Taking note of the special property, log 3 to base 3 is actually 1. Then we can evaluate the answer without the calculator. So for part C, what Jeff did was, oh teacher, all the square root can be written as power half. So I changed all the square root as power half, then I made use of the power law. So after applying the power law, I will need to factorize it. After that, I'll use the product law. Product law, quotient law, for those with the same base. So method 1 will allow our answer to be just half. So method 2, Chloe just treat the 3 term as the same base. She applied the power, or rather the product law and the quotient law immediately. Notice every term has a square root. I can actually put it into a big umbrella, a root term. After that, take note. You simplify the square root by writing it as a power half and using the power law. Alright, so this method 2 is slightly shorter, but you need to be careful not to make the necessary careless mistake. So for part A, I need to press a calculator, but I cannot press immediately. So you suggested base 10, so I need to write a fraction. What is the number I put on top? 7.16. What is the number I put below? 2. Can you press a calculator now? So regardless you want the calculator to be log to base 10 or ln, both of the answer you will get the same. Alright, this is using the change of base. So whenever you see a question with an E, take note, we try to use ln instead of log. So you can press a calculator and get to the answer. Take note, don't just write log. If you want to write log, you must put log to base 10. So to avoid writing log to base 10, I should just write lg. Life's good. Okay, lg. So no need to write the base 10. Very troublesome. Okay, so after that you can press the calculator. Alright, so after being able to change of base, if you can use your calculator effectively, it means that you can solve for all kinds of logarithmic problems.